back to the show, guys. Now, 19-year-old Devin the Doctor was recently crowned the Magnum King of the Dance Hall. Let's hear more about him in this week's Talent on the Rise segment.
Me a go farm down the place. Me lyrics them shot like a handgun with grains. Go tell you Rex we make and don't be ears. Call me up the most girl learn. Inna the girl learn. Me girl when name Crystal, she pretty like a pearl learn. Melanie and Ebony, I said them love me melody. So Jerry cannot play and me girl learn. Tell Luncho, me get a girl. Not Andra and Cassandra. Hot Nicki Minaj just say she want me and Natanda. The girl them love that song when they...
Really, me grow up listening music. Right now, if you go my place, St. Mary, my father have him bus right now, I'm sure say I play music. My sister them, I'm sure say she have her in her component set. My mother is a Christian. She don't really sing still, but every time I pass her, she a She always a music. My brother that pass out, he's also an artist too. Him name Ken. Yeah man, I'm from Highgate, Capture Land. Yeah man, my community that capture land, capture girl, when I capture man.
Tell me why you feel right pan the bike, right pan the bike, and the style them me like. Back up your bumper till the eye than the kite. You're not dead, but you're bright than it. Because she think
before music, well, when I was like in grade 6, I wanted to become a doctor because I never discovered the talent and take it serious at that time. So I wanted to become a doctor, a pediatrician to be exact. Come on, my real name is Anthony Clark. Anthony S. Coffrey Clark. And I'm just 19-year-old. Yeah, man, little youth. Well, the journey, I would say it was a rocky journey. But I enjoyed it. You know, learn a lot of things. It was the hardest part was still just really the campaigning. Because you know, making the songs. Right now, I could do 10 songs every week. 10 new songs every week. That's the easiest part. I don't have a problem with that. But out in the streets campaigning, you know, and everybody are going to like Devin the Doctor.
Oh, when time you are wine, me pants front that tall rabbit. See the dance floor, then up, down, pan it. You wine up your body, you better you change your name to Magnum Tonic.
What gave me the edge? I mean, I'm a complete artist. Some of them still might have a bad song. But having a bad song, it don't mean say you're an artist. You have to can perform that bad song. You have to have image. You see me? Image, performance. I mean the full package, melody. A million sound like Wally for money. A million sound Wally. But when you check it out, $1 million towards music is like $100 in a real life. So what you have to do now, like invest, start a small business, something like that. So you know money make from that business can put back towards the music. Invest and grow your music career. I mean before Magnum I had like go on YouTube. Can you know as a little juvenile put up a little song them on YouTube. But I have like 500 odd views and maybe it go like 1,000 and 2,000. Right now we have songs on YouTube and videos on YouTube over 50,000 views.
Like say she whine the precise she time me. When you say you like me, alright, make big or bambi deng deng. Badi bambi deng deng. Me ya got tell us if
what's next for Devin the Doctor? I mean the main focus right now is getting the songs out. So that's the plan for right now. Just getting the song out, try to get out some videos. Because when I have out the videos, people can see you. Because hearing you is one, but when them see you, it's stuck.
Now we head on over to Barbican Beach, where Chevelle will bring us highlights from night 1 of the Jamaica Beer Festival.
A man says, but you cannot see that now. But you cannot see that now. Follow me now, say, hiding in the darkness, moving on the wrong side, yeah.
So we're here at the 2nd annual Beer Festival, and we're here speaking with Pentatush. Pentatush, tell me, what does it feel like to be performing at such an event like this?
Well, it's always a pleasure, you know. I mean, we are come out and we are play for people. We are play for, you know, African people, Jamaican people. So it's always a good vibe. Say, play music for your own people.
Tell me, what is it that Pentatush is planning on bringing to the table musically?
Alright, Pentatush is a group that does roots music, positive music, and some uplifting music. So you can look for some acoustic vibe. We recently released our Chapter 5 acoustic project.
Oh, Mama Africa, we're coming home. Yes, black people. Oh, Mama Africa, we're coming home. I know now, oh, Mama Africa, we're coming home.
And they don't care, and they don't see the struggle place in society will have no fear of atrocity. What is the people fear? Oh yeah. Set your brain, no giving up. Set your brain, no giving up. Make sure your mind fits it up now. Yes. Hey. If one of the friend get 2 gunshots, a few bomb chopped and the Babylon like it. Little girl all a flick from like a old beat them love like Mama stop me a real dancer. You know it's true dancer.
So we're here with Kez Namdi, who has delivered a high energy, high intensity performance. Tell me, what has been happening on the music side for Kez Namdi?
Limitlessness, you know what I mean? We did a tour this month in February with my sister Kelly Sound Chronics, the Dread and Terrible tour. That was nice. We just came back from LA at the Jazz and Reggae Festival. Me and Cecile were the only reggae artists on it, so it was an honor to represent Jamaica and our culture. We just went up to California to work with Zoo, a Grammy-nominating artist. So we give thanks to all the opportunities happening right now, you know. Beer Festival pushing live music, you know what I mean? And when you check it, look on the lineup, a Beer Rastaman, so we have to support them, you know what I mean? Well, the latest single is called 10 Pound, and it's really talking about what's happening with the marijuana situation in Jamaica now. And Natural I produced it, and it's doing great out there. We're getting a lot of good reception from it.
Africa must unite. I remember, oh yeah, struggles of Africa. I remember struggles of Africa. Wow.
Supernatural, and love is no doubt about it. My heart is so evil, my love is so true. And when the road they number, I'm gonna need tomorrow. Don't stress, don't borrow. And you want me joy, and you want me everything. Can't let you behind. Woman is a everything. No one ever got it. Can't take it for granted. I won't let you go. When I'm working, I started it.
So tell me, what do you think about, you know, the event itself tonight? What do you like about it mostly? And, you know, just tell me your feedback as to what you've seen so far.
It's a nice vibe. I mean, I love seeing people together without any violence and everyone happy and having a little line, you know?
Okay, great. So you want to tell the viewers what you're having tonight?
Guinness.
I like the setting. It gives the idea as if I'm down at Jazz and Blues, where you see the tents and the booths and then the stage and so on. That's the kind of feel you get here. I like it. It's really nice.
Okay, so what do you like mostly about it so far?
I think it's a nice vibe. It's good that the Friday evening here, good skies, nice weather, it's cool, and the liming is nice. I mean, you know, run into people that you haven't seen for a little while and so on.
The food is great. The people are just gathering right now. That's about it for now. I just came.
Do you plan on having anything tonight? What's your favorite beer?
Red Stripe, of course.
The idea for this year's beer festival is to get bigger and larger. So we have so many more beers in our portfolio. Between Dragon, Red Stripe, and Heineken, and Guinness, we're bringing a lot more to the table. And today, we just launched our Lemon Paradise, which is a new Red Stripe summer flavor, which is absolutely fantastic.
How has the event evolved since the first staging?
Well, the first staging, we only used half this venue. So if you see the space now, we've doubled the size because of the success from last year. So now we have more vendors, so lots of different food. All of the food is based in beer, so you can taste, you know, Smirnoff, barbecue wings, Guinness, short ribs, and you name it, we have it here. Jerk chicken made with Red Stripe. Tasty, tasty, tasty. So that's a big difference this year.
We take you on over to London for an interview with singer Omi, and we bring you T20 cricket. We'll be right back.
Brabadabadabadi bambi deng deng, brabadabadabadi bambi deng, gyal a wine up, fi defin the doctor. Pray this. See this?